and today I'm here to talk you through how to take your LiveSmart home test kit. It's really easy and it should take you about 15 minutes to complete. Before you start, it's really important that you're warm and well hydrated. I'd recommend drinking at least 500 ml or about a pint of water 30 minutes or so before you take the test. Start by finding somewhere comfortable to take your test from. Open your box, take out the request form, the specimen bag, and put those to one side for now. Lay out the items inside on the countertop beside you. In the box you'll find 1 test tube, 3 lancets, 2 cotton wool swabs, 2 plasters, and 2 alcohol wipes. Remove the test tube from the tube transporter and unscrew the smaller tube from the larger one. Stand the test tube upright in the corresponding coloured holes in your box. This will make it easier to collect the sample in just a minute. Your blood flows better when your hands are warm, so submerge them in warm water for at least a minute. Dry them on a clean towel and then you're ready to begin. Use one of the alcohol wipes to clean the index finger of your non-dominant hand. Leave it a couple of seconds to dry. Pull the cap off the test tube and stand it upright in the corresponding coloured hole in your box. Twist the cap off one of the lancets. Hold your hand against a solid surface and position the lancet over your fingertip exactly as shown. Press firmly until the lancet activates with a click. Wipe away the first drop of blood using the cotton wool. Massage your finger in a downward direction. Avoid squeezing too close to the tip of your finger as this can damage the blood cells. As the drop of blood forms, wipe your finger across the lip of the tube and then continue massaging your finger. If the blood flow stops, repeat this process with your next finger. When the tube is full to the top black line, put the cap back on and invert the tube 10 times. There's some anticoagulant in the bottom of the tube. This is to preserve your blood. Don't worry if the two don't mix whilst you're inverting the tube, this is perfectly normal. Now clean your fingers and put plasters on. Insert the filled test tube back into the tube holder, ready to be labelled and packaged. Follow the rest of the instructions in the kit to pack and post the test. It's important that you post it as soon as possible after taking it. This should have taken you about 15 minutes. If you've got any questions at all, just give us a ring, we'll be happy to help.